Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. We are going to learn squares of the numbers ending with 5 and we will learn it by the questions. The square of 5 is 25. Now squares of 15. All those numbers ending with 5 has the square ending with 25. Now in the number 15, the digit at tens place is 1 and 1 multiplied by its next higher number is 2, that is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and then we write 25. So square of 15 is 225. This way we have to multiply after leaving the digit of 5 which is at ones place. Whatever the number is there, we have to multiply it by next higher number, and after writing that multiplication we have to add 25 at the right of the multiplication and we get the square of the number. Like the square of 25, after leaving 5 the digit is 2 and we have to multiply 2 by its next higher number which is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And after 6 we have to write 25. So square of 25 is 625. Now square of 35. The digit at tens place is 3 and next higher number of 3 is 4. We have to multiply 3 by 4 and 3 times 4 is 12. And after 12 we have to write 25. So square of 35 is 1225. Square of 45. Ones place the number is 5 and at tens place the number is 4. The next higher number of 4 is 5. We multiplied 4 by 5, that gives us 20, and after 20 we have to write 25. So square of 45 is 2025. The next number is 55. The digit at tens place is 5 and next higher number of 5 is 6. We multiply 6 by 5 which is 30. After 30 we have to just write 25. So square of 55 is 3025. We go to next number which is 65. The digit at tens place is 6. We have to multiply 6 by the next higher number of 6 which is 7, and 6 times 7 is 42. After 42 we have to write 25. So square of 65 is 4225. Now square of 75. The digit at tens place is 7. We have to multiply 7 by next higher number which is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. We write 56 and after that we have to write 25. So square of 75 is 5625. The square of 85. The digit at tens place is 8 and the next higher number of 8 is 9. We multiply 8 by 9 which is 72 and after 72 we have to write 25. So square of 85 is 7225. Now square of 95. The digit at tens place is 9 and next higher number of 9 is 10. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. After writing 90, we have to write 25 and the square of 95 is 9025. Square of 105. After leaving the digit 5, the digits at 110's place is 10 and 10 multiplied by next higher number 11. So 10 multiplied by 11 is 110 and after 110 we have to write 25. So square of 105 is 11,025. Square of 115. After leaving the digit 5, the number is 11 and next higher number of 11 is 12. 12 times 11 is 132 and after 132 we have to write 25. So square of 115 is 13,225. Now square of 125. After leaving 5, the number is 12 12 multiplied by next higher number, which is 13. 12 times 13 is 156. And after 156, we have to write 25. So square of 125 is 15,625. The square of 135. After leaving 5, the number is 13. And next higher number of 13 is 14. And 13 times 14 is 182. And after 182, we have to write 25. So square of 135 is 18,225. Square of 145. After leaving 5, the number is 14. And 14 multiplied by next higher number, which is 15. 14 multiplied by 15 is 210. And after 210, we have to write 25. So the square of 145 is 21,025. This way, we can go on finding out the squares of the numbers which end with 5, in which after leaving 5, whatever the remaining number is there, we have to multiply it by the next higher number, and after that multiplication, whatever the result comes, we have just to write 25 after that, and that is the square of the given number. This way we can find out the squares of the numbers ending with 5. Here completes this video. Do lot of practice for fast calculations. If you like this video, please share among your friends. Subscribe this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.